Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to crop in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Premiere Pro, I want you to click the free trial option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Cropping in Adobe Premiere Pro is a straightforward process that allows you to remove unwanted parts of your video. All right. Now, for us to be able to crop any part of your video here in Adobe Premiere Pro, I want you to go to the effects section. You see on the top corner, there is the effects. If you click that, you would have an option to the top right corner of the effects. In the previous video, we discussed about how to blur in Adobe Premiere Pro, and that you might want to check in our channel. In this case, I'm gonna add something here. For example, type in crop, and you would be able to have this crop option. I want you to drag it all the way to your video right here. All right. If you do, after dragging the effect crop here on your video, I want you to go to the editing. And then you see on the crop factor on the editing, you have the three sections here. You can use the square, which is create a 4-point polygon mask. It would create a mask, and if you move the certain area, you can drag the handle all the way to where you want to crop the video to. All right. Now since this is selected, if you hover down at the bottom, you have the left, top, right, bottom. All right. You can increase the cropping factor. You see that? And of course, from the top. You see this? All right. Or let's undo that. Instead, we're going to increase all the way to our video. Just around here, and in the top. Just around here. Of course, you can put in your values manually, but I'm just like dragging, dropping the file, and at the bottom. All right, so I wanted this, and press enter. You see that? Now the video has been cropped into it. So that's one way. Now another method is, it's not actually cropping, so I'm gonna undo all of it right now. Another option that you can do is just click the video, for example, this video, double click on it. You can basically use this kind of like a semi-cropping, but it's using the zoom in and zoom out effect. But in that sense, you are like kind of creating a crop effect if you just wanted to view the image, right? So that, which is if we play it right now, it gives you that kind of cropping effect. All right. So now another option that you can do is, when you're happy with this, you might want to go to the sequence right here on the top corner. I want you to click the sequence settings. In this case, you can choose from the frame size. For example, I'm going to be choosing 600 for the frame size, and the horizontal and vertical is going to be like 600. And what will happen is, for the majority of this, click OK, and we have cropped the video to this square kind of transformation. All right. And of course, you can adjust the crop settings by applying again the effects right here, or the effect is already here. Go to the effects. Actually, the effects is already here. So we go to editing, click the circular mask. We're going to crop the face only. All right. And then, of course, we can use the bottom here. You see that? And once you're happy with that, press enter. And now you have the option to export this file, save it to your computer, send it to your client, or if you're in a part of a collaborative environment where you need the feedback and comments, send it to your team members. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.